Okay, so this is Windows 8.1, and on the desktop I just set a wallpaper, but we have two vertical bars. In this case they are blue. Let's see how to get rid of these. To do that, let's just close this window, right click on the desktop and go to personalize, and on this window go to desktop background, click on background, and picture position, instead of center set it to fill. After I will click on fill, these blue bars will disappear. So fill, they disappeared, but the image is a little bit zoomed in, and just save the changes and close this window. So the blue bars, or whatever background color was there, black bars maybe, those disappeared and the image is in full screen.